You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names in Italian from Italian and how you can say it in English. Italian pronunciation: Otello. Otello, because you have a double L, it means the L has to be twice as long, so stress on that double L. Otello. In English, therefore, you can simply say how to pronounce English pronunciation: Otello. Otello from Italian: Otello. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.